Welcome to my Ooni Koda 12 review. From the moment you lift the Ooni Koda 12 out of its box, you'll notice a sense of thoughtful engineering. The oven's body is constructed from powder-coated carbon steel, which feels solid and substantial in your hands. This isn't just about durability, this material is also chosen for its heat efficiency. As you set up the oven, you'll appreciate the way the fold-out legs lock into place, providing a stable, elevated base, whether you're cooking on a patio table, a picnic bench, or even a sturdy tailgate. Connecting the Koda 12 to a propane tank is a seamless process. The oven comes equipped with a regulator and hose that fit standard propane tanks, so you don't need to hunt down special connectors. With the turn of a dial, you'll hear the satisfying click of the instant ignition. There's no waiting around for charcoal to catch or wood to burn down to embers. The blue flame springs to life immediately, and you can feel the heat begin to radiate within seconds. This immediacy is one of the most liberating aspects of the Koda 12. Spontaneity is now part of your outdoor cooking repertoire. As the oven heats up, you'll notice how the heat is distributed across the cordierite stone. Cordierite is a material prized by bakers and pizzaiolos for its ability to absorb and hold high temperatures without cracking under thermal stress. The stone's generous thickness ensures that it doesn't just get hot, it stays hot, which is crucial for creating those signature pizza crusts that are crisp on the outside and airy within. When you slide your first pizza onto the stone, you'll hear that unmistakable sizzle as the dough begins to puff and blister almost instantly. The Koda 12's gas burner is precisely engineered to deliver an even and consistent flame across the back of the oven. As the oven heats up, you'll observe how the flames sweep along the rear wall, creating a powerful convection effect that circulates heat throughout the cooking chamber. As any Ooni Koda 12 review will tell you, this design ensures that your pizza cooks evenly from back to front, with the rear flame delivering that essential top-down heat needed for a proper charring and bubbling of the crust and toppings. As you turn your pizza during the bake, you'll notice how the heat remains steady, allowing you to achieve a balanced, beautifully cooked pie every time. The rear burner's efficiency also means the oven recovers heat quickly between bakes, so you can produce multiple pizzas in quick succession without compromising on quality or consistency. Temperature control is at your fingertips with the Koda 12. The dial gives you fine control over the flame, so you can adjust the intensity to suit different styles of pizza, from the ultra-hot, fast bakes of Neapolitan pies to the slower, lower-temperature cooks needed for pan pizzas, calzones, or even flatbreads. This flexibility extends to other dishes as well. Imagine roasting a cast-iron skillet of vegetables, charring lamb chops, or searing salmon fillets, all possible thanks to the oven's wide heat range. One thing that's often mentioned in Ooni Koda 12 reviews is that cleaning and maintenance are refreshingly simple. The open design means there are no doors or complicated parts to disassemble. After cooking, you can let the oven cool, then simply brush off any flour or crumbs from the baking stone. The exterior wipes clean, and because there's no ash or soot, cleanup takes just a few minutes. This means you'll spend more time enjoying your food and less time scrubbing equipment. In terms of size, the Koda 12 is designed for versatility and convenience. Its cooking surface is ideal for personal pizzas, but also accommodates small baking trays or cast iron pans. The oven's footprint is compact enough to fit on most outdoor tables, yet spacious enough to cook for a small group without feeling cramped. Whether you're making pizza for two or hosting a backyard party, you'll find the Koda 12 adapts effortlessly to your needs. The sensory experience of cooking with the Koda 12 is something you'll come to savor. The aroma of dough baking at high heat, the sight of toppings bubbling and cheese browning, the sound of the crust crackling as you slice into a fresh pizza, these are pleasures that transform outdoor cooking into a true event. The oven's design encourages you to be hands-on and interactive, turning pizza night into a communal, creative activity. Ultimately, what the Ooni Koda 12 offers is a blend of professional-grade performance and everyday practicality. It brings the magic of wood-fired pizza within reach without the complexity or time investment of a traditional oven. You'll find yourself experimenting with new recipes, inviting friends over more often, and discovering just how much fun outdoor cooking can be. The Ooni Koda 12 doesn't just make pizza, It opens up a world of culinary possibilities, all with the simplicity and reliability that lets you focus on what matters most, sharing great food and good times.